Question words. In this lesson, we will look at different words we use to ask questions. Here are some question words. What asks about a thing. Where asks about a place. Why asks for a reason. Usually the answer to why is because. When asks about a time. Who asks about a person. How asks about a condition or a process. So how are you? I'm fine. Or how does that happen? And which gives you a choice. Which one do you want? Okay, let's practice. Here you have a question, but it doesn't have the question word. What question word goes in the blank? You see the answer, she eats breakfast at 7 a.m. What question word do we need? When? When does she eat breakfast? She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. When asks about time. Here's another. What goes in the blank? The answer is he doesn't want to take a nap. Oh, why? Why is he unhappy? He doesn't want to take a nap. Why asks for a reason. Here the answer is they take the bus. The question is, how do they come to school? How asks about how something happens, a process or a condition. Here the answer is they live in Texas. And I see a map. Where? Where do they live? They live in Texas. Where asks about a place. What goes in the blank? What? What is in the box? I don't know. It's a surprise. What asks about a thing? Okay, here I have 2 cupcakes. And the answer is, I would like the chocolate cupcake, please. So the question is, which? Which cupcake do you want? I would like the chocolate cupcake, please. Which gives you a choice between different things. Last one. He is the new computer programmer at work. His name is Billy. Who? Who is he? Who asks about a person? Who is he? He's the new computer programmer at work. His name is Billy. Okay, let's look now at how to make a question with the question word how and an adjective. So here is a picture of a giraffe, and here is the adjective tall. We can put how before tall and ask, how tall is a giraffe? It is 18 feet tall. Here's a movie, and the adjective is long. Start with how. How long is the movie? It's 2 hours long. One more. Here is Benjamin, and I want to know old. How old is Benjamin? He is 4 years old. There are other ways to ask questions. We won't look at all of the ways in this lesson, but here are some other examples. And you probably hear these questions. What time is it? What is the weather like? Would you like some tea? Okay, one last thing. Be careful with who and how. These words have the same 3 letters, but a different order. And I can ask you these 2 questions. Who are you? And how are you? Who are you? I'm Sophia. How are you? Oh, I'm fine, thanks. there's a difference. Who asks about a person, and how asks about a condition. Now you know some question words. There were 7 we reviewed in this lesson. Can you remember what they are? What? Where? Why? When? Who? How? And which?